feel like Tim the Toolman Taylor.
I'm gonna put this motor in my wife's dishwasher. Let me adjust the clutch. I ain't ridden it in a while.
It's like a tractor, dude. I thought I was about to take the whole wall out. Fucker's just gonna keep going.
God damn, I ain't ridden it in a minute now.
Here, bud. Call my mom. First of all, we're gonna start with the Coors mullet. This is specially handcrafted for me. All right, dudes. Got mine loaded up now. As soon as the wife loads her shit and gets a cooler in the truck and packs the whole bag up the hill in the cart, and then we'll be ready to go. I know y'all want me to fuck this up like everything else. That's why I'm doing it one-handed for you. I want to take this opportunity because I think this is a real teachable moment. See, I'm about to go ride, and I'm putting gas in before I go, Blake. I'm putting gas in before I show up with no gas, man. Well, I got them gassed up, strapped in, ready to go, man. Should be fun. We're going. Got some, probably gonna be stopping looking at every fucking little
doodad.
Yeah, every little thing that catches her eye. So I'm gonna get real poor mileage today. Probably not even gonna make it down the first aisle without looking at everything. So Decatur Swap Meet 2020, and today's someday in February. I don't look at the calendar much, you know.
Hello, sir. Hello. $5, please.
$5, nice.
Yes,
That's even better.
There you go, and here's a map. Well, across the bridge, there'll be someone show you where to park.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. I'm probably gonna try and grind this rail, you guys, with the ATC. That might do it for me.
How come no one's riding anything?
Now look at me, Teresa. Don't run anybody over like last time. Because
Run any tables over?
I didn't even bring my insurance card with me. Because last time I had to give it to somebody. We're just gonna hammer down. If you do hit somebody, you don't know me, and we reconvene at the truck.
I guess I just go down, make that first where the road opens, and find you a spot right there.
Thanks, man. We can ride these back up through here.
Oh yeah,
Cool.
Yeah.
Thank you. Usually in Texas, you're looking for shade. Anywhere in the shade today is gonna be fucking cold, boys. Look at that fucking sweet ass El Camino up there. It's like they left it on the trailer so I could see it from park to right here. They knew I was coming.
Get to ride in public. I might need to be borrowing that sweater in a minute.
What, this one?
Cool.
diagnosed.
Oh, yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So they're gonna have been all through it and try and tell me what's, well, you know, how it's not fucking busted to shit. Unless I find something that just starts and runs, I'm not really looking for one of these guys' projects that probably don't even have a fucking piston in it.
Nemo's Redneck Diner.
Huh?
It says Nemo's Redneck Diner.
Told you it was gonna be the same.
You need to get me a kickstand for this thing.
A kickstand.
No, it's a custom, so I don't think he's gonna sell that. That's his baby. Yeah. He did a lot of custom work on it. Had the frame all extended and put a CRF 110 engine in there and did all this other stuff to it. I don't think he's gonna sell that one. And this one's mine, so I ain't selling this one.
It ain't for sale either.
I don't think so.
I like that one. I'll trade you straight across.
Good trade?
I could ride that.
Yeah.
I can't ride that. I made up 2 or 3 rounds, had my feet back, had my feet up, my legs just cranked. I think that's cool.
Yeah,
That's just neat.
he took a dirt bike
Yeah.
and just took the engine out, took all the plastic off of it, extended the frame on the ATC 70, fit it for a shop, so it matches everything, so
I won't be happy at 650, but I'll take 650. You know.
She'll be furious at 500 if she wasn't with me.
We're already in the hole if we did that.
I don't want to be the next guy in the hole. Y'all want me in that hole with you.
Well, I don't want to just break even on it. Hell, I got $5 worth of premium fuel in.
Oh, yeah, have fun.
Ryan and Jared. All right, we'll do. Kill it and then shut it down. I got you.
You gonna get me a corn dog?
Sure. Here, I'll hold this. Go get mine. Just taking us a break. Dog goblin.
Always be aware of your surroundings when you're eating a corn dog.
Yeah.
Make sure there's no creepy dudes looking at you like over there.
All right. I think they're watching me. Well, full-blown update. 92 and like a 83 something Z50. And I decided against them just because that the guy wanted, you know, they wanted $1,150 for the pair and they weren't really that nice. So I came home with my money and a couple D's. I had about 10 people try and buy that three-wheeler from me. Told him, fuck you. I told him, one, I got a knife in my boot, and two, I got a pocket full of sand for anybody that tries to lowball me on that sumbitch.